Irwarire ryatandikira mu mwaka gwa 2020 ubwo dispensary na bwanyuma rikija kuzibwa kwikahirwarire rukuru umwaka gwa 2094 n'ebitanda bishatu 51 byonka nerihereza abantu kurugo mu district nka Kabarore, Fort Portal, Kamwenge, Kitagwenda, Chenjojo, Chegegwa, Kasese, Ntoroko, Bondobujo hamwe n'ebicweka bimwe bya Democratic Republic of Congo. Turukuza kutandika mu mwaka gwa 2021 Dr. Adaku Alex orukurirwa rera kereko kutina ahabwirwarira hango riri kwingana rito butagira bakugu abarukuhikana ngo 11 kwero mu kuragurira indwara ezitari zimwe na zimwe.
The hospital has a bed capacity which it was intended for as 351, but over time the facilities in this hospital have expanded, and this has led to congestion in some of the wards.
Aba bakaba barimo abashaho barukubasa kucebera indware zo mu nda y'umubiri, indware z'emitima, abarukushemeza no kubazireberonda, abakugumu kuzarisa abakazi n'abandi bingi. Aha abantu barukwingana 10 abarukwija hirwarire rero barukwetenga ubuhereza bwa X-ray. Dr. Adaku nagira ngo irwariro ryino mu kugumwe wenka ekintu kiri kutuma yaruha munonga habwa abantu okuba bingi munonga.
We implore upon the ministry and the local government to make functional the local government healthcare system so that we can be able to concentrate on managing the specialized cases.
Konkogwa kakumuna akatunga amarwarira gahansi agari kugira ngo tigakuzire cyo kumara kuhereza ubuhereza aha abantu baburijo.
If the lower facilities are functional. As a region and ministry, we have made efforts to functionalize Robsengo Health Center 4, and many of the health center 4s are also functional. But we continue to note that from some of the facilities, we receive referrals of cases that we expect to be managed there.
Okumaraho kizubeki Dr. Adaku nagira ngo abebembeze n'abandi abukira kukwataho bine kutahwa karime kwendangwa abantu bakaguma batungira ubujanja bo marwarira gahansi rera mahango hijamwe ndware zo kubaziremera gahansi. Gasha kwa Jonathan Tusingwire.